You think it's just a bad habit, but it is not just on your screen. It is inside your brain. Every time you watch, you are not only wasting time, you are training your reward system to choose the fastest, fakest pleasure over real life. That is why you feel weaker after. Empty, ashamed. You say, never again, but the next time you feel bored, stressed, lonely, or rejected, the urge hits. Your mind whispers, just this once. Your hand moves before you even think. This is not because you are broken. This is because your brain has learned a pattern. Cue, click, release, regret. The good news is this. Patterns can be rewired. Here is your protocol. When the urge hits, you do not sit there and argue with it. You expect it. You observe it. You tell yourself, this is a wave. It will rise. It will fall. Then you move your body immediately. Cold water on your face or a shower that shocks you awake. Push-ups or squats until your muscles burn. A fast walk or run outside until your breathing is heavy. This is not random. Intense movement gives your brain real dopamine and endorphins. You are replacing fake reward with real reward. You are breaking the loop. Cue. New routine. New reward. Next, you attack your environment. No phone in bed. No laptop alone late at night. Log out of sites. Use blockers. Keep your room bright instead of dark and hidden. Do not trust willpower later. Design your space so the weak version of you cannot act so easily. Then you go after your thoughts. When your mind says, I need this to relax, you answer, I am lying to myself. This makes me weaker. When it says, I already failed, might as well continue, you answer, a slip is data, not destiny. This is how CBT works. You stop letting your automatic thoughts control you. You start tracking. How many urges did you ride today without acting? What time are you most vulnerable? What emotion triggers you most? You are not just counting days clean. You are studying your own mind like a scientist. With every urge you surf, every workout you do instead of watching, every time you shut the laptop and walk away, you are rewiring your brain. Day by day, the old you loses power. The new you gets stronger. Soon you stop seeing yourself as a slave to a screen. You start seeing yourself as a man who can feel an urge and not bow to it. Calm, focused, unbreakable. A man who uses his energy to build his body, his money, his mission. This starts now, not when you feel ready, not after one last time. Tell yourself out loud, I am not that man anymore, and prove it with action. Your brain is plastic. Your identity is not fixed. Every choice is a vote. Tonight you decide who you are becoming.